Before you click the simulation software, you must log in first using your account or create. Then after you log in, you will now create the circuits by selecting Circuits Project on Tinkercad. Initially, we will familiarize first the function of each respective parts of the Tinkercad. On the upper right portion, going to the east part position are copy or Ctrl-C. Next, paste or Ctrl-V, then delete. The next onto it is undo or Ctrl-Z and redo or Ctrl-Shift-Z. Next, the naming tab or notes tool, shortcut for N. Toggle notes, visibility or Shift N for visibility and invisibility about the description. Then, wire color for choosing your desired colors for the wires, just click the drop down menu. Next is the wire types, wherein you will choose whatever you want, like normal, hook up, alligator, and automatic. But most of the time, we will often use the normal wire for putting wires on circuit. Then the last two are rotate and mirror components. Rotate is for rotating circuit components, and mirror components for changing the position of LED or light emitting diode. By the way, you can change the name of the file where you made the circuit. It is in the top. Now, we will now go to the Code tab, which you can click to verify the syntax of the programmable components. By clicking it, you will see how it works and the flow of its function. Then, the next of it is the Start Simulation tab, wherein it serves as your running simulator for every circuit you make. Then, the third one is Send for tab, by sharing your file circuit to others. Next, Circuit View for showing the entire circuit to make, and next one is Schematic View for the sketch of your circuit. Then next is Download CSV, or it is the PDF file. Then the Components panel. Components panel, where you can choose and select the needs of your circuit. Here, you can search drop-down components. You can choose either basic or all. And for starters, there are basic, Arduino, microbit, circuit assemblies, and all. You can choose either. Then next of it is the two types of view are detail and compact, which you can switch either of the two. And now, let's move on to the simulation process. Let's create now the blinking LED pin 13. First, open the drop-down menu on the right hand side. Select Arduino as our main components, then LED and resistor. We will put also some wires. Second, click on the circuit breadboard and place it somewhere on the workspace. Third, click on the button Code to verify the program loaded into the Arduino. Fourth, the program show in written and blocks. You can also switch to the native coding languages by selecting option text from the description menu. Fifth, you will see a warning like one shown above. Just click continue to proceed. Sixth, you can adapt the code for the blinking LED by adjusting the timers. Note that the output is sent to plan is of the Arduino. Seventh, when you simulate the program, you should see the onboard LED blink. How to use Walkway Arduino Simulator. Step 1. Go to the main page of Walkway. Step 2. Navigate to the Start a New Project section. Step 3. In this example, we will use Arduino Uno. So click on Arduino Uno. Step 4. Wait for the new project window to open. Step 5. You can see the view of the new project window. This is an empty blank template for the Arduino Uno project. You can now see an Arduino Uno board. No other connections are there. Arduino Simulator. Parts of the simulator labeled. 1. Sketch. Here is where we write the Arduino code. You can copy and paste the code as well here. The editor is smart, with a lot of options such as syntax highlighting, autocomplete, formatting, etc. 2. Share. You can share the project with others using the share button. Clicking on this button will generate and allow you to copy the link. Sharing is easy. 3. Save. Don't forget to save your work. Time to time. Click on this button will save the project. 4. Add part button. Add the favorite parts here. 5. Docs section. Clicking here will take you to the Bible. The manual of the Walkway Arduino Simulator had most of the parts. It is a running document. 6. Sign-in option. Logging in is not mandatory, but if you log in, you will save the projects and recall them in the future. You can log in via Google, GitHub, or even simple email. 7. Simulator window. All the action takes place here. Here is where the parts you had placed will appear. You can the connections using wires here. In the simulator window. 8. Editor window. Edit your code, play with it. Do changes, see the results instantly. All editing happens in this window. Step 6. We will now continue building our first project. In the new blank project window, click on the purple icon to add an LED. Inserting new part on Walkway Arduino Simulator. Click on the LED option. Now you can see that you have placed an LED in the simulator window. Step 7. Now you can go ahead on the resistor part as well. Step 8. Use your mouse to draw wires. Go to the lead and point to the lead pin. You will see that the connection point gets highlighted. Click on it. You can now click on the destination pin to complete the wire operation. Add the resistor component. Walk with Arduino simulator showing added LED and resistor. You can move the components by clicking on them and dragging them to the desired position. Connection. Step 1. Connect the other end of the wire to the resistor. Same way, complete the connection ground LED cathode. The circuit looks okay. Step 9. You may not be pleased with one color of wires. You can change the color of the wires. Head to the diagram.json file and change the color. The below picture will give an easy hint. You will also know how to change the resistor value. You can change the resistor value here on the Walk with Arduino simulator. The analog simulation is not done. The resistor is for representation only. Step 10. It is time to write your code. Either you can type it all out or copy paste it from the internet. We will use the basic blank example. The code is now pasted in the below image. Click on the green button to start the simulation.